Welcome to Homegrown. This is a friend of mine. I don't name my bunny. We should really name her. Ow, he bit me! I wish I was... Seriously? What gives, my guy?
Oh, can't nobody stop this love? So baby, meet me down by the road. No giveaway, the cool dark water meets the full moonlight.
Come here, let me touch you.
Maybe we could be together. Can't nobody stop love tonight. So baby, meet me down by the road.
I don't like people.
The cool dark water meets the full moonlight.
I'm so tired.
Maybe we could be together. Can't nobody stop love tonight.
Be sure to like and subscribe so you too can be part of the Homegrown family.
You good? I don't see anything, but
Babe. Did you fall asleep holding a chicken?
I was protecting them from the predators. Everybody okay? Everybody survived the night? 1, 2, 3, 4. That looks like it. We done good. We survived. I need a shower. Well, now that we've got the girls fed some breakfast, let's see what we got to get done around here before winter. As you can see, we've got our token pair of underwear that aren't actually even mine. I don't know if anybody wants to claim these, they're just gonna stay here for the winter, probably freeze, and you go eat the pumpkin. Here, I'll give you a garden update. Garden didn't do too well this past season. So this year, I've gathered a bunch of manure from the pigs, from the chickens. We're gonna try a different method this year. We might actually water the garden, thinking this time. So we'll see how it goes. Here, let me show you the plot that we've almost died. The plot that we've figured out for the garden for this year. This is a greenhouse too, maybe. It might be if I get a chance to do it before winter actually falls. So this is about triple the size of the garden we had last year. I gotta figure out how to cover it, maybe with pallets or something so that we can kill all this grass. All right, what else do we have here that we can... So what we've done is we finally completed our... Oh, that was a mistake. That was a mistake. So we finally completed our wood pile, or one of them. We've got 3 or 4 around the property now. Hopefully we don't have to dig into these ones for winter, but you never know. Over there you can see the little greenhousey thing we built for the chicken run to keep them warm. You know, this time of year, most everything's dead around the property, so we just focus on keeping ourselves alive. And the key ingredient to that is keeping a fire hot, nice and warm. As it's only gonna get worse this season. So we can keep ourselves, ow, that's hot. We can keep ourselves warm. We'll be good through the winter, and hopefully we'll be good come next spring. Last but not least, we want to make sure that we don't have a scare like last night or earlier this year again, so we're going to use a safety chicken. This handsome gentleman is going to go in the coop and hopefully ward off any predators, right? Isn't that right? We'll see what he can do.